Lezi izindaba zethembisa online. Right, ake sikubingelele sikwamukele sawubona igama lami ngingumfanelo. Uphenye ibheshu ngingwakwaZanibe isibongo. Sikwethulela izindaba konke okwenzekayo endaweni yaseThembisa, Ivory Park, Rabe Ridge nezindawo ezisungezile.
Right, as you know that it is a Mandela Day today, and obviously Tembisa Online has arrived at Arbaokeng Center here at Hospital View, where KTVR bus services will be donating to this particular center. Right, I'm now joined by the CEO of the KTVR, Babu Mnisi. Babu Mnisi, we are here at the center, Arbaokeng. It is a very important event, as we know, it is Mandela Day today. I was talking about this particular event. KTVR now involved.
Thank you very much. Thank you for the opportunity. The company KTVR bus service transporter community yaseThembisa Kempton Park. As you would know that Masipala wethu eKuruleni initiated this concept yokuthi kufuneka kube ne BRT la eKuruleni. So as the company today we're celebrating Mandela Day. As you would know that it's an International Mandela Day today, so we thought let's give back to the community. So today we identified Arbaokeng Center, Ekata Abantwana. So we thought it would be nice for us as the company to give back to the community. So today we are here as the leadership. Another aspect is that KTVR, it's born out of the taxi operators. As you would have heard, Masenza introduction, there's taxi associations who are here, of which by mother body, KTVR. So KTVR bus service is alwage abantu bama taxi. It belongs to the taxi people as well as the community of Tembisa. So today we are giving back to the community as the company to say we celebrate Mandela. The struggle he fought for us. We have not forgotten what he has done for us. So we're taking the baton forward. Today we're saying thank you very much, community of Tembisa, for supporting Harambee bus service. And we wish Sishuguti going forward will be continuing doing the same to other centers, especially those that are accommodating young kids. As you would know, Ubab Mandela bekabathanda kakhulu abantwana. He even built a hospital for kids.
How important is, giving back, particularly for KTVR and Pagatini, and how do you identify Lama Centala?
It is very important for KTVR to give back to the community because it's a community-based company. So for us, it's one of the aspects and for a company to give back. Hence, we are being supported by the community. So as the company, Jabula njalo masibuyisela emphakathini. For us, it's not just to take and make profits, but also to give back to the community. How do we identify these centers? We've got a website whereby we've listed all these centers. We've done a survey, especially around Tembisa, to identify these centers, especially the centers that caters for older people and young people. So we've got a list of all these centers. So each and every year we rotate. I know last year we said Tsepo. Nakona, it's an NGO whereby we donated, we painted a building Yabo. So we always do a survey and try to identify all these centers as inceda umphakathi wethu. So it's not a difficult thing for us because we've got a whole list of all these centers, especially in and around Tembisa.
All right,
Thank you very much.
Right, I'm now joined by Umam Joyce, who is the director of Arbaokeng Center here at Hospital View. A day where KTVR decides to visit your center and obviously to give donations. We see Abu Babu Mjali, they're also present here. How does that make you feel as the director of the center?
I'm feeling honored to have someone like Dr. Mjali Those people are always very busy. They don't always have time to go anywhere. For him to make time to come here and celebrate Mandela Day, it means a lot to us. And even with the donation that they gave, school uniform, painting our building, and also the donation of 10,000 rand, and also he gave 10,000 rand for the staff just to go and debrief somewhere else. Yeah, because he appreciates what we do.
I mean, we saw also he pledged that he'll also donate a 22-seater for this particular center. But before we dive into that, tell us more about the center. We joined in, or when was it established, so that the people of Tembisa can be familiar with it?
Okay.
Yeah.
Arbaoke Multi-Purpose and Palliative Care Center was established in 2004 by a former nurse, Mama Flora Mudiva. Yeah, she saw a need. This building that we have here used to be a hospice, and when the parents passed away, they left the children who are orphaned. So Mama saw a need. She was responding to that need because there were a high number of orphaned. So she started this center so that we can take care of the vulnerable and protect them.
Yeah, you know, some of the orphans live here. What are other services that this center offers the community?
I think I need to rectify something. The orphans are not residing here.
Okay.
They come after school, and then they go to school. They come after school. We provide daily meal. We do homework supervision, and then we provide them with second-hand clothes that we source from the community. Other programs that we do, we assist families that they don't have documentation due to late registration of birth. We all know here in South Africa, if you don't register the birth within 30 days, if the 30 days pass, it means it's late registration. It's going to take you something like 20-something years for you to be able to acquire those documents. So we provide these families with funds for DNA testing. Mama's Alliance, our funder from the Netherlands, are the one who are funding this DNA program.
So njengoba kaPapa Umtshali bazile donating 10,000 rand in cash, bathembisa amabhasi, and obviously to take you out in the staff sakho and go and enjoy. How does that make you feel? And are you the ones who select the location?
I'm so excited. I don't know how to express how I feel. Actually, I'm overwhelmed. I'm sure you saw me being emotionally there. I'm overwhelmed. I don't know. I can say but the organization such as Arbaoke because we don't generate any income. We depend on generous donation from people like him. We appreciate him. And the taxi industry because I'm overwhelmed because about more support. But support they come on board, and I can say people like him Yes.
I mean, unalevana ba ikae mo senteng?
Renale 361 children. And then Renale 292 families that we support. We go to their homes every Monday, Tuesday. But whenever there's a need, it doesn't mean because it's not Tuesday we can't go. We also have social workers here at the center. We provide psychosocial support. We provide counseling. We provide trauma counseling. We provide bereavement counseling to families that lost their loved ones.
I know, kuningi okwenzakalayo la ekhaya, and obviously support is really needed. So I must say that KTVR bus services as well, also not forgetting the taxi industry, they really play a huge role, particularly when it comes to centers like this. But asibambela for now. Right, I'm now joined by Ubaba Umtshali, who was very generous in today's event here at Hospital View. Ubaba Umtshali, you donated 10,000 rand or gave away 10,000 rand. You also pledged to support the center by giving them a 22-seater. How important is it to take part kuma center kanjena ukuthi alekelele?
Hey, bhuti ukube siyazenzela ngabe sonke sithi masisebenza silahlele something kuma center njengalawo. Manje asizenzeli umuntu ahola ashode naye neyokugibela ashode neyokudla. But thina esihola kangconywana aswanake la masenta.
Siyazi ke ukuthi abantu abaningi they know you from the taxi industry. Njengoba now uzile I was speaking with Mom Joyce Sebonga naye you know with the donations that you made. Baningi abantwana bala ungathini nje emphakathini ukuze bafake nabo isandla ebekelele.
Lo sesiwenza umsebenzi omkhulu kakhulu ungishayisa uvalo mina ngeke ngikwazi ukukhetha bonke labantwana ngithi abami uyababona bangaki over 100 uyabona bangaki baningi uwenza umsebenzi omkhulu kakhulu ngicela mina siwumphakathi simnakelele sidonate whatever sitholayo. Thank you.
Ngiyavela la ukuthi awuqali ukudonate noma ukufika kuyona le center lena akhona mhlambe amanye ama center enohambelayo.
Zikhona indawo ezinye sihambelayo hambelo gogo abadala abahlala eThembisa sihambelo abantu abashawe yistroke abanye abadala nje ngeminyaka ibambela kakhulu abantu kumanakile abantu. Thank you.
Sibambela. Right, we are done and dusted for the day. We saw the donations which were made by EKTVR donating, you know, school shoes to this particular center here at Hospital View. Also, you know, promising to paint the entire building. And yeah, we saw, you know, 10,000 rand cash being dished out. And obviously, you know, Ubaba Mtshali pledging that he will also donate a 22-seater to this particular center. As Tembisa Online with myself, Wanda Kaleswayo. It's a wrap.